All right, so look, last weekend I got myself this unbelievable super Kabuto thingy, cactus. It's freaking tiny, right? Freaking tiny. Apparently they're exceptionally slow growers. And yeah, exceptionally slow growers. And but they become absolutely spectacular. So what I wanted to actually do is, at first I wasn't going to repot it. And I realized I really like the moisture control of terracotta pots. So I decided, no, I'm going to repot it because it can sit there forever. You don't have to necessarily repot it every 2 years. In fact, you probably don't want to do that for a very long time. So I wanted to just repot it, get it over and done with. But because I can feel that it's quite a loose, gravelly soil. So what I want to do is I want the least amount of root to air exposure. So I'm going to fill all of my little vessels with soil. So once it's in there, then I can just quickly, put that in there, okay? So let's have a look. And I'm wearing gloves today because after this I have to give someone a rectal exam. No, I'm kidding, I don't have to do that, but hey, I could. It's going to be okay. So there you go, look at that. So it's perfectly elevated. So all I have to do is just recover. That's it. Just cover it up again. The roots are intact, very minimal. So obviously the seller of this is exceptionally reputable and he knows what he's doing with gravel. So I'm going to use some of his gravel, and yeah, so you can see it's quite a moist soil that he had because he watered it, and obviously it's a plastic container, but here we are. I don't want to there we go. I want to make sure that it doesn't get any moisture problems underneath, but at the same time I don't want any roots to be exposed. There we go. There. Beautiful. Quick video.